All right, friends, let's do a quick rundown of project step 3, just so we're all on the same page. Project step 3. We're in Canvas, which you can access through Clever or your home page, and I'm going to go into my modules, Ms. Humphrey Science, because it says science, not computer science, science. I'm going to scroll down here to my Unit 2 graded assignments. Now, please ignore turn in your notes here. That only is for specific people. You're looking here. You should not see this on your screen. You're looking here. Extended Coursework Science Project 3. So I'm going to open that. And it's going to say due October 13th. Now, please reference your teacher's due date. Please reference your teacher's due date. Notice I don't even have consistent due dates. So please reference your teacher's due date. Okay? Now it says draw the real world system. It must be colored, show high effort, not artistic, trace diagrams, make pictures on the computer, create a 3D model, or get creative. The image of the 3D world must be labeled. This should be the student's own work, and students can upload pictures or 3D models or videos. Now, it says upload pictures of the 3D model or videos. So let's touch base on that first. Ms. Humphrey students were allowed or earned the right or privilege or encouraged to create their 3D worlds on Minecraft or Roblox. They were told that they would have to screen record that when they're done. Well, Ms. Humphreys, how do I screen record? Great question. We're going to hop on over here to Flipgrid. Now, Flipgrid has a folder under Ms. Humphrey's class. There's a folder for project submissions. I'm simply showing you different ways that you can screen record. That's all I'm doing, is simply showing you different ways for you to screen record where it simply says upload a model or video. So here's how we screen record our video. So we have our project submission, and you're going to go to the code that your teacher gives you, and I am simply going to add a response to my project submission here. And all I'm going to do is options, record screen, and I am going to choose the integrated cameras that are on my screen already, and I'm going to pick which screen I want. All right, I'm going to pick which screen I want, and I'm going to go ahead and pick my YouTube so we can all see like what amazing views Ms. Humphreys has on her YouTube. Just kidding. So if I were you, I would simply be talking and saying, this is my Minecraft world, this is what I'm doing, this is my nucleus, which is represented by the chief, this is my mitochondria, which is represented by a battery, etc. Whatever you did. Now, Ms. Humphreys, what am I comparing it to? What am I showing? Great question. We'll come back to that. All right. You see here I have a 10-minute time limit. That is so much time. Please do not record 10 minutes. I love you so much. I want to see all of it, and it's amazing and brilliant. Please don't record 10 minutes. Simply stop recording when you have shown all of the different components of your world. And again, how do I know what components I'm supposed to have? Great question. Let's reference back to project step 2. Let's reference back to project step 2 real quick here, kids. Now you'll see here in project step 2, we've already submitted this, and there are commentary. There's commentary on here. What you did is correct is commentary from my mother because she was trying to be helpful. So Ms. Humphreys earned a 15. So whoops the daisy. Mom was being helpful and checking for completion on these before I went and graded them, and she was mean to me. So I'm going to check in here, and I'm going to look at what I submitted because this is my reference point. This is where I'm starting. If I said in here that I am doing a school, well, then I better see a Minecraft or Roblox or 3D imaged or Lego built or Google image cut and pasted individual items, and we'll go over that in a second, better reference a school. You cannot tell me you're going to do a school and then turn in like a zoo. What? No. So you have here the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 organelles that you were instructed to define. Now, Ms. Humphreys, I did an animal cell, so I don't have a cell wall or a chloroplast. No, not how it works. No, not how it works. You created an analogy for each one of these organelles. So every single analogous structure needs to be in that world, or in that drawing, or in that model, or in those Legos. Every single, all 7. So at minimum, you should have 7 structures in your world or drawing or build that is the same as what you referenced here. So this is your cheat sheet, guys. This is your cheat sheet. So Miss Humphreys said she was going to do a school. Well, Miss Humphreys, I don't know how to do Roblox. This is just replaying over and over. I don't know how to do Roblox. I don't know how to do Minecraft. I don't know how to draw. Okay, I got you. Not a problem, Bob. We're going to hop on over here to Google Docs and create our map. We're going to create a map. So let's go ahead, and we know maps can go either way. It's up or down, sideways, doesn't matter. So I'm going to label this my cell school map. Okay, so I did a school, so I can just insert, no, not the computer. I just want to Google it. Insert, search from web, school. Okay, here's a classroom. I'm done. I'm gonna upload this. I'm done. I did a school. There's my school. No. Well, dumb Humphreys, you forgot to label it. Oh, you're so silly. You're right. Let me go ahead and just insert a little text box. Miss Humphreys can find her text box. Okay, so my question is, I couldn't find my text box. We just had this. So my question is, why is this not okay? I was all gung-ho, like I put my labels. Yeah, that's good enough, right? No, because this is not your own work, friends. This is not your own work. If I'm going to compare this teacher to the nucleus and these cabinets to the cytoplasm and these kids to the mitochondria, this is not my work. This is not my picture. So what I would suggest, honestly, if you did a school if you did any system and you're really just not quite sure how to add images or create a map or build a Minecraft world, if we're kind of just out of ideas and we've talked to our teacher and we're just kind of looking for suggestions, we can always make a PowerPoint with the label of the organelle and a picture of that individual organelle. So I'm going to look up our nucleus is like a teacher, right? Like a principal. So I'm going to go ahead and throw my teacher in there. And now I would go ahead and also explain in this text box why that is, why that teacher is like a nucleus. And again, I already have those answers back from project part 2, okay? So that is kind of a summary of how to do all of the actual assignment. Now, how to turn it in is you either are going to comment, it's in Flipgrid, like we talked about, the screen recorded project submission. You can upload the actual picture like you made either in Google Docs where you created a whole map with individual pictures, not one picture from Google, or your created slides. And again, this is kind of a last resort if you've spoken to your teacher and are struggling to find. So please speak with your teacher. You are going to upload that file straight from our files here, and you're just going to hit submit assignment.